Cats suck on blankets or fabric, a behavior that can seem puzzling or even odd to some cat owners. This strange but common habit is often associated with young kittens, but many adult cats continue this behavior well into their adult lives. While this action may appear to be something random or peculiar, there is actually a deep-rooted psychological and instinctual reason for it. This behavior is often linked to a form of comfort and security, harking back to their earliest days of life, during their kittenhood. Understanding why cats suck on blankets or fabric requires delving into their early developmental stages, their natural instincts, and the way they associate certain textures and sensations with feelings of safety and warmth. To understand why cats suck on fabric, we need to first look at the behavior's origins in kittenhood. Kittens, like all mammals, begin their lives by nursing from their mothers. This process is crucial for their survival, providing them with the nourishment they need to grow and develop properly. During nursing, the kitten will suckle at its mother's teat, an action that is deeply comforting and provides not only sustenance but also a sense of warmth, security, and closeness. This act of suckling is associated with the kitten's primary attachment to its mother, and it helps them develop emotionally and physically. As kittens grow and become more independent, they eventually wean off their mother's milk. However, the need for comfort and the soothing sensation of suckling does not disappear immediately. Kittens who are weaned too early or who do not receive adequate care from their mother may turn to alternative sources of comfort, such as sucking on fabric or blankets. This behavior is often a way for them to fulfill the emotional and physical need for the comfort they once experienced during nursing. Even as adult cats, this behavior can persist if they have formed a habit or if they find that sucking on a soft texture, such as fabric, brings them comfort. Cats that engage in this behavior often do so when they are feeling particularly relaxed or content. They may suck on blankets, pillows, or even pieces of clothing, usually in private or when they are in a calm state of mind. This habit can often be observed when the cat is about to sleep or is in a comfortable, secure environment. Sucking on fabric can be a way for the cat to self-soothe, much like humans might comfort themselves with certain habits or routines when feeling stressed or anxious. For cats, this act can provide a sense of security, calming their nerves and helping them to relax deeply. This behavior can be particularly common in cats that have been separated from their mothers at a young age. Kittens that are taken from their mothers too early may not have had the chance to form strong emotional attachments or to learn how to self-soothe through normal interactions with their mother and littermates. As a result, these cats might continue to engage in behaviors that are reminiscent of kittenhood, such as sucking on blankets, in order to recreate the comfort and safety they associate with nursing. The lack of proper early life bonding can lead to an increased need for self-soothing behaviors later in life. Another reason cats might suck on blankets or fabric is related to the texture and softness of the material. Cats are highly sensitive to tactile sensations and have a keen sense of touch, especially in their paws and mouths. The soft, plush texture of a blanket or piece of fabric can mimic the comfort of a mother's fur, and this tactile experience can trigger a calming response. This is particularly true for cats that are sensitive to certain textures or have an affinity for soft, comfortable materials. The act of sucking on fabric might feel physically pleasant to them, similar to the comfort they once felt when nursing from their mother. This behavior can also be linked to a cat's emotional state. Cats, like all animals, experience stress, anxiety, and other emotional challenges. Some cats suck on fabric as a coping mechanism, helping them deal with feelings of anxiety, boredom, or loneliness. The act of sucking can provide a form of self-regulation, offering them a way to calm down during moments of stress or uncertainty. This is particularly true for cats that might experience separation anxiety or those that have been through traumatic experiences, such as abandonment or a change in their living environment. The repetitive motion of sucking can offer a sense of comfort and help the cat to feel more secure in stressful situations. In some cases, cats may suck on blankets or fabric due to a condition called pica. Pica is a disorder in which animals or humans have a compulsive desire to eat or chew on non-food items. While pica is more commonly associated with eating inappropriate objects, it can sometimes manifest as a compulsive desire to suck on or chew fabric. Cats with pica may engage in this behavior because they find the texture of fabric soothing or stimulating. Pica can also be related to nutritional deficiencies, particularly a lack of certain minerals or nutrients in the diet. Though it is more often linked to psychological factors such as stress or boredom. If you notice that your cat is engaging in fabric sucking behavior in an excessive or compulsive manner, it might be worth consulting with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying health conditions or to discuss strategies for managing the behavior. While sucking on blankets or fabric is a natural and instinctual behavior, it is important to monitor the behavior to ensure that it does not interfere with the cat's well-being. In some cases, excessive sucking on fabric can lead to the ingestion of fibers or materials that could cause digestive issues or blockages. If your cat is frequently sucking on fabrics to the point where it is ingesting the material, it may be necessary to address the behavior by providing alternative sources of comfort or stimulation. Offering your cat a variety of toys, engaging in regular play sessions, and ensuring they have a comfortable and safe space to rest can help reduce the need for compulsive fabric sucking. Cats may also suck on fabric as a sign of affection or bonding with their human companions. In some cases, a cat will suck on the blanket or fabric when it is being petted or cuddled, using the opportunity to bond with its owner. This behavior can be seen as an extension of the cat's relationship with its human, as it may associate the act of being close to you with comfort and security. If your cat sucks on fabric while in your lap or when being cuddled, it could be a way of expressing trust and affection. The act of suckling, in this context, can be seen as a form of emotional connection, where the cat feels safe and secure enough to engage in a behavior that brings it comfort. Interestingly, the behavior of fabric sucking is not limited to any particular breed or age group of cats. While it is more commonly seen in kittens or cats that were weaned too early, adult cats of various breeds may also display this behavior. Cats that are particularly affectionate, social, or sensitive to changes in their environment are more likely to engage in fabric sucking. However, it is not uncommon for older cats to continue this behavior if it has been a source of comfort throughout their lives. In addition to the emotional and psychological reasons behind fabric sucking, there is also a physiological component to consider. Cats have specialized glands in their mouths that are sensitive to touch, and the motion of suckling or sucking on fabric can stimulate these glands. The sensation can trigger the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural feel-good chemicals. This can create a pleasurable and calming experience for the cat, which is why it may continue to engage in this behavior even as an adult. The pleasure derived from fabric sucking is not unlike the pleasure humans experience from comforting rituals or self-soothing behaviors. When cats suck on blankets or fabric, it is often a comforting behavior that dates back to their early kittenhood, when they nursed from their mothers for nourishment and security. This behavior is rooted in both their natural instincts and the emotional needs they developed during their early life experiences. Whether it is to self-soothe, seek comfort, express affection, or cope with anxiety, fabric sucking is a behavior that many cats engage in for emotional fulfillment. While it is usually harmless, it can sometimes become excessive or compulsive, particularly if the cat is using it as a response to stress or anxiety. Understanding the reasons behind this behavior can help cat owners provide the appropriate care and support for their feline companions, ensuring they feel safe, secure, and loved.